Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is flyer design. So let's start the design and show something new today. First of all, I'll fix my thumbnail, then go to the next part, and I will select this two and change its color. Which color will be the best for it? Let's see. I think this color will be the best for it, and I change this color, and now I will change also its color with the strokes. Then I will change its color. Sorry, I will change this color also. So which color will be the perfect for it? I think this color will be the perfect for it. And change this color. I think it's not the perfect. So I will change this color. Which color will go for the blue? I think this color will be the go for the blue. So now I will change here. Flyer design, and now and save this here, and also export it as PNG format. Replace it with the past. Now go to the new file. For the flyer design, you have to take 8.3 into 11.7 inches template. So select this template. Select this template, and now I will go for a picture where I will do some work. Now for the picture you have to go to the place, and then you have to choose the pictures. I think this picture will be okay. So I just select it, and then I will I will lock it. Now I can show my rights which I want to show. So I will take it. Now you can see I will change this color which will be the sorry. Now I want to make it gradient. So okay, I'll make it 90 degree. 90 degree. Then it should be the this color and this should be the back color. How it look like? Is that matching? I think it's matching, and this two side is looking very good. You can see here this two side is looking very good, and now I will lock it down here. You can see I lock down here. Now in this portion you can edit many things, and this portion you can edit many things. So you have to edit it on this portion, and you can do it right now. So first of all, I'll show you more things here, and its color should be the white, white, and sorry, I I have a mistake, and its color also be the white. White. You can see this is very nice to see, and you have to write down your letter or words. This chart on the flyer design. This is the unique flyer design. You have to take it this design and work it at your home. Thank you today. Thank you everyone for the for this class. Allah Hafiz.